25. By now, you have already passed your class 9, class 10. Now you are in class 11 and class 12. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you for your successful passing in class 9, class 10 and class 11, those who have passed class 11. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you, and in today's distribution of bicycle, our Honorable Chief Executive Member, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Rodial Sir is here for you, and also Honorable MDC, Madam Geeta Debarma is here to witness the occasion, and Chairman of School Management Committee is there, and he was principal of this. Now he has become the principal officer of Autonomous District Council. Now Ati Jamatia is there. She is one of the social worker, and also it will facilitate to come to school, and it is your dream to become a good citizen. After completion of your education, you should have big dream to become good citizen, and also to occupy the good position in the society, in the administration, in the system. You should try to become at least good officer like TCS officer, TPS officer, IAS, IPS officers. And this is not only your dream, this is the dream of your parents, this is the dream of your school teachers, this is the dream of our society. So to achieve your dream, the school is facilitating you to achieve your goals. And that is why we are here to distribute the bicycles to you, so that you can come, you can study well, you can come to school regularly, and there is also on time.